Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's tutorial, we will teach you how to bring back the old right-click menu in Windows 11. Windows 11 has a bit different right-click menu. We can change it back to the old one. Go to taskbar search and type regedit. Click on Registry Editor to open it. Click on Yes in the pop-up window. Copy the address line from the description below the video. Paste the address in the address line. Right-click on the CLSID folder. Choose New Key from the list. Copy and paste the name for the key from the description box below. Open the default file. Keep value empty. Click OK. Restart your device. The old right-click menu will be back. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!